Good morning, dear parents and students. I am Rashmikant Thakkar, Senior Director of Infinity Scholars Hub. I would like to welcome you all. We started our institute, Infinity Scholars Hub, on 9th November 2021. While opening our institute, it was our mission that we will give quality education to students and will mentor them one-to-one basis. We started our classes from class 8th to class 12th and catering students for NEET and JEE. Later on, we decided to give education to class from pre-foundation courses also from class 5th to class 7th. So now we are giving education from class 5th to class 12th, and apart from above, we are also giving education to students who are preparing for JEE and NEET. We have made some unique decisions while running our institute. We had decided that we'll keep the size of our classroom as of 20 students in a classroom. Secondly, we had decided to teach on interactive board. So our all classrooms are being recorded. The reason for recording the classroom was that students may refer our teaching at home also, and this teaching is available during the year. Due to exigency or some work, if student is not able to attend our classes, then they may attend the classes online also. We have given special attention to our all faculties. Our all faculties who are well experienced and well educated. Mostly they are from IITs. Our Director Academic, Himanshu Thakkar, he is from IIT Delhi. Our Biology faculty is from IIT Kharagpur, and our Maths faculty is from IIT Patna. We have decided to mentor every student in our institute so they may grow in their classes. Secondly, we have decided that in class 11th and 12th, apart from giving them education for JEE and NEET, we will also give them education for their board examinations also. So they may excel in their board examinations and in their professional courses like JEE or NEET. We had given a very healthy and good atmosphere of our classroom and institutes. We started this institute from 3 classrooms. Now we have 12 classrooms. This is due to the well support of our respected parents and good students. I wish them a very, very happy educational journey and they may achieve best in their life. Thank you. Thank you very much.